it's Department of Migrant Workers na. So yung mga offices doon sa other countries under the Department of Labor before was called Philippine Overseas Labor Office. Philippine Overseas Labor Office, which is POLO. But when the Department of Migrant Workers was created, it was changed into Migrant Workers Office na. Hindi na DOLE kami, hindi na DOLE na kami, kundi BMW na. But UWA is an independent institution specifically to serve for the welfare of OFWs. So, under kami ngayon na Migrant Workers Office dyan, but of course, independent on their, so, on and off